Hey everybody, in this guide video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how to archive items in Snapchat. In order to archive items in Snapchat, you could either save them to your memories, save them within a specific chat, or clear a chat from your feed as well, which hides it without deleting it. For saving individuals, Snap, you could save those into a memory or Snapchat role. So you want to open the Snapchat application first of all, go to the chat section, and let's say if you want to save something in the memories or archive them, you have to long press them, and then you could just go ahead and click on save in chat. So this is gonna be the archive feature. So likewise, there is other way, or there's no such way you could go ahead and do it. So you have to do the same thing. If you want to save this thing, you then need to long press, and then you just have to go ahead and click on save in chat. So this is how it actually works. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.